Welcome to Home of Math. Now we simplify following fractions. Let's start. Here is three fraction. First, x times 2x minus y whole square. Divide 2x square minus xy times y divided 2x plus y. Divide y times 4x square minus y square. Divide 4x square plus 4xy plus y square. So first this one we can write like this: x 2x minus y times 2x minus y, right? Then here we can take common x, so here is 2x minus y times here is y, divide 2x plus y. Divide, we can write here is y, and look, here is 4x square and minus y square. It's looking a square minus b square. So we can write 2x plus y times 2x minus y. Why this one? Because 2x square we can write 2x whole square. It means 2 times 2 square means 4, x square means x square. And similar, here is 4x square plus 4xy plus y square. It's looking, look, here is 2x square plus 2ab. It means 2 times 2x times y plus y square. So here is, we can cut this one like 2x minus y, 2x minus y we can out. So here is x 2x minus y divided x times this x and x we can cut. So here is only 2x minus y, and here is y divide 2x plus y times this one will become 2x plus y whole square, and here is y times 2x plus y times 2x minus y. Look, here is 2x minus y and 2x minus y we can out, right? This y we can out, and look, here is 2x plus y and here is also 2x plus y. It means 2x plus y whole square. So this one and this one together out. So our answer is only 1. Okay, hope you understand this one. It's not tough math, but it's very interesting math. We have to keep concentration about plus minus and division sign. Thank you very much for being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel.